Hi, this is a quick example of theta decay with respect to the strike price on leap call options. So over here we have one example, January 2023, $30, same thing at 50, same thing at 70, and right now it is July 7th, 2021. This expires in January 2023. The stock is Exxon Mobil. So for the sake of example, let's look at this point right here compared to this point right here, June 25th approximately. These numbers aren't going to be perfect, but it will still prove my point. So the final divided by the initial in this case would be 4.3%. Now if we look at this point to this point at the $30 call option, we see that the gain would have been approximately 9.4%. Now when we go look at the 51, keep in mind that the stock price right now for Exxon is at $60. If we do the same thing, this number, anticipated gain of 3%. But now here's the really interesting thing. If you look at the $70 price, you see 24th, 25th right here. 25th went way down here, so I just use this price just because it's a bit more favorable, just to not try to be as reasonable as possible, even though this is cheating very slightly. So I use this number 4.99, this number right here, and we look, and there's a loss of approximately 21.5%. So we looked at the exact same dates at different strike prices for the call option, and we can see that there was a significant difference in the return. And just to discuss this slightly, this is $60 to buy in, this is $30 to buy in, so it is quite expensive, but not that expensive relative to the stock. This becomes pretty reasonably priced, and this is quite literally for pocket change. Well, $350 isn't pocket change, but you know what I mean. So another thing I'd like to quickly note is that if you were to, I'm not going to sort of math for this, but if you were at this point to be like, I think it's going to go up, and it does go up, this segment right here would be much more favorable for you at $70 call than it would be at perhaps the $30, because there isn't that much of a change. And I believe this is because the derivative of delta, whatever that is called, so since this is really out of money, a small change will be extremely beneficial. Meanwhile, this is pretty deep in the money, a small change isn't that beneficial. Our delta is pegged at probably 0.9 for this one, or possibly even 0.0 almost. So anyways, that's just really what I wanted to show you. I think this ends up coming down to the change in theta, which is the time decay with respect to the strike price, because the deltas among other things will be different, so the theta decay ends up also being different or some shit like that. Yeah, I don't really understand the stochastic calculus and Black-Scholes options pricing model, but this is an interesting thing that I noticed and thought I should share it with everyone. Have a good day.